Hi friends, Right Careers welcomes you to a brand new video for this week. This is S. Sudarshan, your career coach. For the past 3 weeks or so, we have been seeing a lot of discussions about different boards for school education, starting from International Baccalaureate to the Cambridge International, to last week where we saw the comparison between different boards like CBSE versus ICSE versus Cambridge versus IB. There has been a detailed review about different boards, and I've been getting a lot of calls from the parents thanking and about the information that has been provided. Thank you so much for all the support and viewership, I should say. But moving on, from this week onwards, we will go back to the drawing board of discussing about one specific career a week and then talking about the uniqueness of that career and the pros and cons. This week, I'm really excited, I should say, because this is one topic that really excites me, and not only excites me, I'm associated with this industry for the last 1.5 decades or so. Yes, we are going to discuss about a topic that's called careers in media and mass communication, right? So what is mass communication? Mass communication is nothing but dissemination of information to the general public. That's mass communication. There is an information, you give that information to general public, and that information can be given in various forms. It can be given via newspapers, it can be given via television, radio, internet, so on and so forth, the new medias, whatever it is. So that's mass communication. Degree in mass communication, it really opens up a career in journalism, public relations, advertising, etc. That's a short overview about mass communication. Now, what are the career opportunities that are existing in this industry, this mass communication or media industry? There are numerous careers that exist. We will see one by one. The first career that exists is in the form of journalism. Now, we all know what journalism is. Yes, I'm not going to speak at length about every career opportunity, because in the future videos sometime next month or so, we will discuss about one career opportunities like journalism as one. But for now, we will see what are the career options that are available. The first one, as I told you, is journalism. So what is journalism? So as a journalist, once you study journalism, you become a journalist. And as a journalist, one can work in various media houses and contribute dissemination of information. That could be in print journalism, it could be in television journalism, that is broadcasting journalism, FM, internet journalism, where you write blogs and things like that. So, you work as reporter, you work as a columnist, or you can perhaps work as an editor as well. So this is in short about the first career opportunity that's available in the form of journalism under this media industry. The second career option that we can think of is in the area of public relations. We also call it as PR. So what is public relations? So usually public relations, they as a department, or communications they call it in any organization, they represent the company in front of a public. So any information that a company has to give to the public will be from the department of communications. There will be an inside department. For example, if any quarterly results come, if there is an acquisition, for example, recently we saw Byju's acquiring Akash, right? That's an example. So this information would have been given by the PR team, the public relations or the communications team of Byju's to the public. So they act as the face of the company, I should say. And they can also work in companies. Public relation professionals they can work inside a company. They can also act as a freelancer. By freelancer, they need not represent one company. They can represent multiple companies and make sure the news item of every company comes in some form or other to the general public. So that's the second career option. The third career option that we can think of, professional career option in media industry, is in the form of advertising. So we all know what advertising is. However, there are two subsects within advertising. As I told you, we will see about advertising as a career option comprehensively. But for now, there are two aspects within advertising. The first one is in the form of creative advertising, where the professionals involve themselves in creating of advertising, visualizing the concept, ideation, etc. The second is on the business side, where professionals in business side of the advertising sell spaces or sell the slots in television and things like that. So that's the third career option that I can think of. The fourth career opportunity that we can think of is definitely media planning. Now, media planning is huge, massive, I should say. What is media planning? For example, there is a commodity. There is a soap. Let's assume there is a soap. Hammam is an example. If Hammam wants to, plan its media, they have a budget. Assuming that Hammam has around 10 crore rupees for this year's marketing budget or advertising budget, how will they, take to the masses? Someone has to plan, right? So it is the media planner who plans the entire campaign for a brand or for a company. Now, a media planner is supposed to be, quite knowledgeable when it comes to print media, television media, FM, digital, whatever it is, OOH, whatever you call. So a media planner has to first understand the requirement of the client and then come up with a solution so that the client immensely get benefit out of it, thereby reaching to the masses or the public. So that's the fourth career option that we can think of. The fifth career option that we can think of in this industry, media and mass communication industry, is the broadcasting and production. So by broadcasting and production, we call it goes to the technical side of this industry. Editing is an example that comes under broadcasting. Camera work, or cameraman rather, that comes under this. Screenwriting, dialogue writing, VJs, RJs, radio jockeys, video jockeys, they all come under this broadcasting and production group. That's the fifth career option. The last career option that we can think of under this industry is event management, which is nothing but the event manager. So we all know events is something that happens across, right? It's a huge industry. Yeah, last 1 year we know because of COVID, events aren't happening, even though digital events are happening. But events as an industry is massive, and I would speak about this events as an industry for 10-15 minutes sometime. But for now, you can definitely think of events as a career option in under this industry. So these are the professional career opportunities that we can think of when it comes to media and mass communications. Now, moving on, how do you qualify yourself? What is the career path? What are the formal education that are available to get into this industry? Definitely at undergraduation level, you have BA in mass communication. You can always take literature as well if you aspire to become a journalist. So for everything, for journalism, there is a separate undergraduate program. For advertising, there is a separate undergraduate program. For getting into the technical side, you can definitely choose Viscom. So there are different undergraduation program. Generally, BA mass communication is ideal. You also have masters at master level. You have various master program, masters in journalism, masters in mass communication, masters in various visual science. So a lot of programs are there at master level also. Now, before we move on where to the next solution, that is to where to study, etc., etc., I would like to make two things clear here. First thing is, journalism and mass communication are not the same. They are different. Journalism is a part of mass communication. Hope you understand. Journalism is a part of mass communication. Mass communication is not a part of journalism. I'll tell you in short a small difference. Mass communication has to disseminate, that is, provide the information to the public. They have to disseminate the information to the public in different forms. Whereas journalism, it has an intent to persuade people, which means it can be an opinion provider also. Mass communication is not an opinion provider, it only gives information. Journalism is also a part of it, it gives information, but journalism is also wider because it also gives opinion. So to rephrase, journalism is just a part of mass communication, whereas mass communication is huge, right? Now moving on, where to study mass communication? Every city has iconic colleges. As usual, Delhi, if you take Indraprastha College of Women is there, and then you have Jamia Millia. If you go to Bombay, you have St. Xavier's, University of Bombay, Somaya Group. Pune, you come, you have Symbiosis, it's very famous for the communication program. And then you come to Bangalore, you have Christ, you have Chennai, you have MOP, Loyola, Manipal is a great college, and some specialized colleges like Asian College of Journalism, Chennai. These are quite unique colleges. So Google it and you will find good colleges in your own cities. As usual, the pros and cons of being in mass communication industry. The pros, definitely great opportunity to work with creative people, like-minded people, top creative brains, I should say. So you in turn develop your skill. Always in demand, great scope. Media has to exist, so very less in terms of demand. Yes, the evolution has changed. Some medias have taken a backseat these days, some have come forward these days. Mass communication as an industry will thrive, there is no doubt. Recognition, you get quick recognition out of this industry, good fame, money, everything is there in this industry, and you travel a lot, which means you'll learn a lot. These are some of the pros that we can think of. As always in our videos, the flip side of it, some of the cons I can think of, definitely it's taxing, it's really hectic in nature, it's not time bound, and definitely it takes a toll in your personal life. So this is what we thought we will do this week, and hope you enjoyed watching Careers in Mass Communication. And in case you have any clarification on what to study, where to study, especially in mass communications or in any other field, do contact us. You can log into the YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/writecareers, and click on the subscription button and wait for the videos every Monday. Now until next Monday 5 p.m. with a brand new video, see you all, take care, have a great week. Thank you.